For the Company Consultancy Project, the CCP, I worked on a very exciting project, which was about creating a roadmap for automation using AI for financial spreading.
I was lucky to find myself with a company that operates in Saudi Arabia, and we are helping them to extract financial data using AI.
I work with a startup which has like a global scale, and we are like dipping more in marketing initiatives that we can use with AI.
Work on a second-hand marketplace, and we help them to improve their website, to improve their UX in their application.
I actually work on an ERP solution as a consultant.
We worked hand-in-hand with the client and with their deliverable, which was very interesting and preparing us for the professional life.